Digital menu boards are transforming how restaurants present menus, promotions, and customer experiences. But choosing the right solution is not only about buying a screen. Restaurants need a complete system that includes commercial displays, content management software, remote updates, and reliable operation. A small cafe may need a simple menu display, while a QSR chain may require multiple screens, centralized CMS control, scheduled promotions, and consistent branding across locations. When selecting a digital menu board manufacturer, buyers should evaluate display quality, brightness, software compatibility, customization options, installation support, and after-sales service. Ikinor provides OEM and ODM digital menu board solutions for restaurants, cafes, and food businesses worldwide, offering customized design, scalable production, and reliable commercial display hardware. The right digital menu board helps restaurants communicate better, update faster, and improve customer engagement.